In this video, we'll be sharing with you some unexpected and often overlooked benefits of living frugally. Tip 1. Save money. The most obvious benefit of living frugally is that it can help you save money. By cutting unnecessary expenses and being mindful of your spending, you can free up more money to put towards your savings or investments. Tip 2. Improve your financial skills. Living frugally can also help you improve your financial skills, such as budgeting, negotiation, and finding ways to save money. These skills can be valuable in both your personal and professional life. Tip 3. Develop a sense of gratitude. Living frugally can help you appreciate the things you do have and develop a sense of gratitude. This can lead to increased happiness and contentment. Tip 4. Reduce stress. Financial stress is a common cause of stress and anxiety, and living frugally can help reduce that stress. By being mindful of your spending and cutting unnecessary expenses, you can feel more in control of your financial situation. Tip 5. Improve relationships. Living frugally can also help improve relationships, as it can reduce arguments about money and financial stress. This can lead to stronger and more fulfilling relationships. Tip 6. Enhance creativity. Living frugally can also enhance creativity, as it can inspire you to find new and innovative ways to save money and repurpose items. This can lead to a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. Tip 7. Help the environment. By living frugally, you can also help the environment by reducing your consumption and waste. This can involve things like using reusable bags, cutting back on plastic use, and conserving energy. Tip 8. Set a good example. If you have children or are a role model to others, living frugally can also set a good example for financial responsibility and mindfulness. Tip 9. Improve health. Living frugally can also have health benefits, as it can encourage you to make healthier choices, such as cooking at home and cutting back on expensive takeout. Tip 10. Find joy in the simple things. Finally, living frugally can help you find joy in the simple things in life and not always feel the need to keep up with the Joneses. This can bring a sense of contentment and happiness that money can't buy.